Today we're talking about one of the most important moments in any WordPress project, handing over a finished website to your client. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to deliver a polished, secure website, empower your client with the right access, and avoid common pitfalls that trip up new site owners. Let's dive right in. First things first, before the big handover, we need to make sure the site is clean and secure. Start by updating WordPress itself, along with all themes and any active plugins. Outdated software can leave security holes, so think of this step like locking the doors and windows before turning over the keys. Next, double-check that you've got a good security plugin. WordFence is a solid choice up and running. This will help protect the site from attacks right from day one. And don't forget about backups. Set up an automatic backup system now so your client has a safety net if anything ever goes wrong. Trust me, they'll thank you later, especially if a content mishap or plugin issue pops up. Now it's time to set up your client's user account. You don't want to give them full admin control, because that's a little like handing someone the keys to the whole building when all they really need is access to one floor. Go to the WordPress dashboard, create a new user for your client, and set their role to editor. This way, they can manage and update content comfortably, but they can't accidentally break important site settings. It's a gentle but important safeguard and shows you're thinking ahead for their best interest. When it comes to showing your client the ropes, nothing beats a quick explainer video. Record a walkthrough using Loom or a similar tool. In this video, casually demonstrate how to log in, highlight the custom dashboard features you've set up, and walk through the basics of managing posts and pages. Remember, for many clients, WordPress is uncharted territory, so seeing your cursor hover over menu items and watching you edit content live is worth 1,000 written instructions. The extra effort here makes sure your client feels confident rather than overwhelmed. Before you hand things over, do a final sweep of the site. View it on both desktop and mobile, making sure all the layouts look good and there's nothing funky with spacing or alignment. Click through every link, yes, every single one. You'd be surprised how often one little broken link slips through. As you do this, put yourself in the client's shoes, seeing the site with fresh eyes. Now, hosting and domain transfer can sometimes be a little tricky. Figure out if your client will keep the site on your hosting or if they want to move it to their own account. If ownership needs to change hands, follow the right process with your host or domain provider. Be careful and thorough here. Transferring domains is a sensitive step, and it's important that the client ends up in full control. When you send the client their access info, never just email plain text passwords. Use a secure method like a password manager or encrypted email to share credentials. That extra layer of care gives clients peace of mind and helps them build good security habits from the start. Don't forget to update the main admin email address in WordPress. Head to Settings, then General, and swap in your client's email. They'll need to verify this, so reach out and give them a heads up. It's a quick process, but it's essential so they can recover their login or get important site notifications. After launch, don't just disappear. Offer them a post-launch support window for questions or little tweaks they notice as they start using their new site. Make sure they know how to access backups and that they're comfortable managing the basics. And that's it. You're not only handing over a functional website, you're handing over confidence and support. If you found this walkthrough useful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your next site delivery.